Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here, and I've got a short options video to go over with you for our standard container dumpers. Ensign Equipment manufactures the industry's highest quality container dumping solution, but even after thousands of hours of use or several decades of years in the field, even the highest quality machines are going to need maintenance. We understand that, we know that, we design around that. What we're going to cover today is what happens when a part has failed while the dumper is in the up position, and what options can be offered to you to make sure that that issue is resolved in a quick as fashion as possible. So in that instance, a dumper has gone up and in mid-cycle refuses to come back down, and what has likely occurred in most instances is the down solenoid valve or the coil itself has failed. Either the valve's gotten stuck and seized, or the coil has burnt out, no longer can be energized. And without a manual override system or manual override option that we're going to cover today, how a maintenance person is going to help resolve this is they're first going to need to de-energize the dumper. To do that, they're going to have to drain the hydraulic fluid out of the cylinders manually. They do this by loosening up the connections of the hoses at the base of the cylinders and allowing the fluid essentially to weep and leak out of the back of the dumper cylinders. What's going to happen then is you're going to have a pretty decent sized housekeeping mess, as you've got hydraulic fluid basically getting all over on the floor. They are too low necessarily to put any type of a bucket or something on that. So what we offer as an option for you is a manual override. We have two different versions. The versions we're covering today in this video is going to be our tooled version. So in this situation, your operators identify that the machine won't come back down. You've got to bring it back down to the home position. You've gained access to the back of the machine, and now you're going to loosen up this jam nut a little bit. And then we're going to take our Allen wrench, we're going to insert in, and we'll slowly start to open up this valve. And now the dumper bucket will come back down to the home position. And what we're doing is we're overriding this down valve portion of the manifold, and we're allowing the fluid still contained within the hydraulic circuit to come back down and back into the tank itself. And we can speed this up and slow it down as needed just by threading this out. And now with the bucket de-energized, we can tighten that back up, take our tool so that nobody else can freely do that, and then we can continue as a maintenance person to troubleshoot, was it the valve or was it the coil, or are we just replacing both? Now, Ensign Equipment focuses heavily on the maintainability of their machines. For that reason, all of our hydraulic components are cartridge style and utilize a Parker name brand component. So we keep all these parts in stock. We can ship them out next day air, or if you want to go to your local distributor for Parker and get one locally, you can definitely do so as well. So hopefully this video brought you some value. If you got any further questions, please contact your sales engineer. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.